What's up? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. This is With or Without You by U2. Super cool song, and it's only got 4 chords, so we can just nail this thing in under 3 minutes, maybe even 2 minutes, including that little high note right there. All right, probably not 2 minutes. Let's give it a shot. There's no capo on this one, and you go from a D major. I'll give you the chords first. C the stone, A major. So you come from D major to A major, set in your eyes, B minor. I play B minor with my thumb. You can check out my other video on how to play bar chords and, F shapes with your thumb. Instead of that, I got some tips and ideas for you. Set in your eyes. See the G major, thorn twist in your D. And just does that A major without, I'll wait for you, B minor. And it goes, same thing over and over and over again. So the key to mixing it up here is, I use some palm muting and go. That's the A, B minor, G, D. I'm doing all downstrokes, palm muting, and I'm just hitting the low notes. With or without you. That's a B minor, G. And you can start grinding and get louder and louder as you go. But in those verses, just try some palm muting and hit those low notes. And then if everybody around you, if you're at a campfire or wherever and everybody's rocking and singing, then you can strum them all out. A, B minor, G, but it still sounds cooler with downstrokes. With some double strums like that, A major, B minor, G, and that's it. It just does that forever and ever. Now that cool note at the high is not that hard. What you do is you take your second finger, put it on the 8th fret of the B string, like that. Then take your pinky, put it on the 10th fret of the E string, and you pretend you don't have a delay pedal like the Edge does on all of his electrics. Sorry, like this. Like that. So you put, again, that note right there and that note, and you just go back and forth. And then you release this finger, put your first finger on the 7th fret of the B string, which is part of the D major chord, so check this out. So you can see right there, I went to the G a little early, which gave me a second to get my hands way up high right there. If you do that, people will be like, oh snap, they just took it to another level. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me if you can do that cool little part right there, and I'll catch you later for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.